Fuck, guys. I'm back. It's been a while, but here's another vlog. You know, it's gonna be gangster. We're at the goat farm with Josh. Oh, and Ben. Look at those goggles he's got on. What a beast. I had Jackson as well, but like, whatever. Ben. We're at the goat farm. We're just gonna do some sending, you know? Just classic old Steezmaster, fully fucking sending. I feel like I'm just gonna do like a little, like excursion. I'll show you the jumps that we're gonna be riding for this first part of the vlog. Now these jumps, they're pretty fucked, not gonna lie. They're pretty cool. Like, look at this. Dirt. Oh, look, an ant. There's an ant somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Boom. Jump. And then, when you come up to the top of the jump, you land over here, down this. And then, it's that big fella right there, and you just boost it. It's pretty cool. Anyway, go! There we are. Everyone's dropping in now. It's gonna be gangster. Look at him go. Ben in the sexy goggles. Pedal! Nice one, Ben. Nice one, Josh. Look at him go. Whoops! I forgot Jackson was coming. I just ran in front of him. Good meme. Bad news. Basically, everyone fucked up that last jump. So, they're gonna try to get redemption now. And I'm gonna film on this, like, booter right here. Look at. Man, it looks really small on camera. Well, it's actually quite tall. Probably like 6 foot, I'd say. Which, decent size. Anyway, they're gonna just fully steeze it, and then I'm gonna do a run. Except no one wants to film me, which is bullshit. It's my fucking video. Anyways. Ben is coming in hot. Look at him go. What a beast, what a beast, what a beast. God tier. Look at him go. Go, Ben! Whoa! Oh!
Ben, bro.
He nearly died. Josh nearly died. Jackson got it pretty clean. That's surprising. Jackson's usually the shittest one. Who'd have thought? Fuck. Ben nearly died. That deserves a like and subscribe. If you don't, I will hunt you down and kill you. But it's cool anyways, so whatever.
Hurry up! Alright. Kai coming in first. Oh, Stacey! Here he goes. And again. And Jack, oh, who cares? Oh.
Breaking news. We're at a new spot. Like, it's brand new. Look at this. Jumps. Barely been ridden. Barely been ridden. Smooth. Smooth. Oh, look, the tape's even still across it. Oh, but it's a prime trail. And me and the boys, we're just gonna be chucking some fat stees over them. And you know, it's just gonna be fucking gangster. So, like and subscribe.
Oh, here they come, here they come. Josh first. Nice. Ben, bit of a bar turn. Ben nose diving a little bit. Steezmaster with some steez.
Dropping in, the boys are dropping in. There's Ben. Fuck no. Around. There's Ben. There he is. There he is. Look at him go. Oh, Josh is coming in. Oh, the steez on Josh. Oh! Jackson comes in. The steez. Oh! Damn, that was nice. Sheesh. Boys! I've got these Sex Lord goggles on. I'm going to give you a POV run. Let's go. Thanks to Josh Waitley. Sponsored by Josh Waitley. He got these goggles for like 10 bucks. And look how sexy they are.
Clearly a steal. They were
Anyway, let's go! Boys, just walking up the trail now. It's going to be sick. Fucking dropping in now. Let's send it. Let's go. Pump the rollers. Pump the rollers. Steeze it. Come down. Pump. 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 Pop a fatty! Pop a fatty! I'm right next to Josh! Ah! I nearly died. I think those goggles just gave me eye cancer. But don't worry. should be making a full recovery soon. Big news! We're doing a whip off. So it's like a whip competition. We're gonna take a video of Ben doing a whip, then Josh doing a whip, then me doing a whip, and then you guys are gonna write in the comments which one you think did a better whip, and the loser has to buy the winner a mocha. That's a new rule. Loser buys winner a mocha. So remember, in the comments, say who the winner is and say who the loser is. Good job, guys.
Have a whip contest here. Let's see who's got the best one. Who we got first? Ben?
Oh, that was a bit sketchy. Ben, move your feet! Sorry, Josh is coming in now. Almost forgot about him. Chucks it sideways. Impressive effort. Guys, remember, leave in the comments who you think won and who you think lost. Doesn't matter who came second, only winner and loser, right?
Good call.
Yes, and remember, like and subscribe and share the video with your mates so that the channel can just blow up. And then we'll have more fucking gangster content like this. Anyway, subscribe.